let's get right into this. We're looking at a pretty incredible, fully confidential medical practice acquisition today, and it's located right in the heart of the rapidly growing Phoenix metro area. If you've been looking for a highly profitable footprint in this market, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one.
So think about this for a second. What if you could just entirely bypass the massive risk of a startup? Like, skip the whole grueling, incredibly stressful ramp-up period and just step directly into a fully established, cash-flowing practice on day one. Sounds pretty good, right?
Because, look, we all know the reality of starting from scratch. You're usually staring down the barrel of 18 to 24 months just to break even. You're burning through capital, staring at zero revenue on day one. It's brutal. But with this acquisition, you're stepping into an established patient base with positive cash flow from your very first month. It is literally a completely different ballgame, taking a massive chunk of that financial risk right off the table. Now, let's talk about the foundation here, because this is where it gets really good. 27. That is 27 years of continuous, rock-solid operation in a booming Sunbelt market. You're not just buying some clinic, you are acquiring nearly 3 decades of community trust, dialed-in operations, and just unbelievable local brand recognition. And what does a 27-year legacy actually look like? Well, it translates to a massive, incredibly loyal following. We are talking over 2,100 active patients. This is a patient base that literally spans generations. Plus, they have this crazy low no-show rate of just 5 to 10%. I mean, that alone speaks volumes about the quality of care and the insane patient retention they've built here. But okay, here is the actual secret sauce of this whole opportunity. Their dual revenue model. It's highly insulated. Roughly 50% of the revenue comes from your traditional family medicine and Medicare. That's your steady, reliable, keep the lights on volume. But the other 50%, that is coming from high reimbursement personal injury and occupational medicine cases. This specific blend gives you margins that completely blow standard primary care out of the water, all while insulating you from weird shifts in any single payer market. And as for taking over, it's basically plug and play. This is a truly turnkey clinical platform. They've got a modern cloud-based Tebra EMR already up and humming. You get 4 fully equipped exam rooms ready to go. There's a built-in, highly active referral pipeline from local attorneys and employers funneling in those high reimbursement cases. But honestly, the absolute best part, you are inheriting a dedicated team of 6 experienced staff members who all intend to stay on after the transition. So that institutional knowledge, those patient relationships, they stay completely intact from day one. Now, even with all this existing success, there is still a ton of uncaptured upside just sitting on the table. There is a super clear, phased growth roadmap for whoever steps in. Step 1. Literally just expand the clinic to a full 5-day schedule to capture the unmet demand that's already there. Step 2, maximize those 4 exam rooms by bringing on mid-level providers like a PA or an NP to easily scale up your volume. And step 3, tap into that massive existing patient base by rolling out high-margin cash pay services. Think medical weight loss or aesthetics. The platform is literally built and waiting for you to pull these levers. Oh, and there's a huge wealth-building kicker here too. You have the option to acquire the real estate. Buying the building means you completely wipe out your lease risk, you permanently control your overhead, and you start building tremendous equity as this specific Sunbelt region just continues its explosive growth. It's a massive long-term play. Honestly, this is widely considered one of the most accessible and strategically positioned entry points for practice ownership or even a group expansion in the market right now. You're getting the 27-year foundation, the day one cash flow, that incredible dual revenue engine, and completely mapped out growth potential, all wrapped in one package. So if you're ready to look into this, grab your phone right now. Scan the QR code you see on the screen that'll let you sign the non-disclosure agreement and instantly unlock the full confidential information memorandum. Because you really have to ask yourself, do you want to spend the next 2 years struggling to build something from scratch? Or are you ready to step into a proven legacy of success today? Scan the code and let's get started.